Karting Circuit, Bandaragama.
It's like I woke up from a nightmare.
We are with another episode of Urban Pack. We are on a different type of sport today, and that is karting. We are at Bandaragama Karting Center.
Because I finally got away from you.
First of all, we're going to see the registration, how the registration process of the karting center. This was actually in the early stages, this was done manually, the registration, but now it's fully done, the automatic system. It's fully computerized. So let's check it out.
Sri Lanka Karting Circuit, Bandaragama.
So in here we have to use the manual registration before, like in 2014. After that we change our system into this kiosk, the self-registration kiosk. So now customers can register by using this kiosk and pass their number into the front kiosk. We issue a registration membership card by using this automated registration.
Deep in my arteries, don't even know the reason of pathology. Fuck it, I feel like I'm ready to blow up. I'm ready to blow up and call it a rap. Call it a rap. You can have all my shit if it means that I see you, I don't want it back. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there.
So Sri Lanka Karting Circuit Bandaragama is the finest track in Southeast Asia. Being the main reason that we are track certified with FIA standards for safety and everything.
I can't shake the ghost since you left behind here. But now it's all I need. Because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost since you left behind here.
Go-karting is one of those activities which people of all ages can enjoy. The inevitable element of risk has to be balanced with the taking of the right precaution to stay safe. You also have to know your own limitations. Well, don't forget to drive. Smile on your face. The officials will brief you on the do's and don'ts as karting safety is concerned.
I'm sinking and I've been suffocating, struggling just to breathe. And I feel like I've been trying to get away forever now. I'm just trying to run away and go wherever now. Cause I don't hear you in my rear view.
The brief should cover the flags and the light signals. You will also see a track layout in the spectator area. This every corner that I'm taking will maintain my racing line.
With the latest track expansion, now we have an international track of 1.2 kilometers, and we have opened the 717 meters track for leisure karting. For the beginners who have come for the first time, they can go with the leisure karting with the standard K&K card. That's the card we offer for the first timers, and with your performance you can upgrade to more powerful cards.
The next level of karting is seriously tested at Katukuranda racing track.
At the spectator area, you will receive a spreadsheet of your timing. And don't forget to like our Facebook page, Instagram, and subscribe on our YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's end of in today's session at Bandaragama Karting Circuit. And we're gonna meet at Katukuranda for the drags sponsored by Yesfm. There's gonna be an epic car event, car drags. Supercars will be driving there. And we'll meet tomorrow there.
Ceylon Motorsports Club, together with Sri Lanka Air Force, organized the Katukuranda drag battle at Katukuranda Air Force Base in Kalutara. A drag race is an acceleration contest from a standard start between two vehicles, usually measured over a distance of quarter mile or 400 meters. Most of the events represented JDM cars, but for this particular event had a special BMW i8 drag event. Lasith Malinga, the cricketer superstar, had a spin on his own BMW i8. This was an electrifying event at Drags 2019.